Hello friends, Mandar here. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to talk about some of the new updates that I have received from Department of State, and that might be a good news for a lot of people who are stranded outside of the United States who have family here in the US. So let's talk about it. So the first thing I want to mention is on the Department of State website, they have posted the new guidelines as of yesterday, which says routine visa services will be resumed. So the exact words are phased resumption of routine visa services. What it goes on to say is that the United States consulates and embassies will be open in a phased manner. It will depend on the country and the location and the region, and depending on the ground reality at that country, the consulates or embassies will make a decision to open. As you may remember, back in March of 2020, all the consulates were closed because of the COVID-19. Now this is the first time that Department of State has made an announcement of reopening of these consulates. So they have clearly said that they will not be able to specify a specific date for each consulate when they are going to open, but they may start opening anytime from now, which is a great news for people who have been waiting for getting their visa stamped or getting their visa services done through the consulate. So some people may have traveled from the United States, some people may have traveled from the United States to meet their families back home or on business trips, and they are stranded because the consulates are closed and they are unable to get any visa services for restamping and things like that. So now this is a good news for them. So there is a Q&A as well, and I will post the link in the description here. There are some questions that are answered. What kind of services will be available? They are making clear that it will be available for emergency services in the beginning, and as staff comes back to the consulates, the number of services will be increased. And there are some specific guidelines for emergency cases. So say for instance, if you have a family member who is in the United States and you have traveled back to your home country to get a renewal of visa stamp done, and if you are stranded, this might come as good news for you because the consulates will open soon and they will be able to do your visa processing. Now, they may not do for a regular case, but say for example, you are a spouse of a H1B visa holder or a L1 visa holder who is the primary applicant is in the United States and the dependents have traveled back to their home country for a visit and you are stranded. In this case, when the consulates open, they will start accepting your visa petition for the dependents who have their primary applicants or primary H1 or L1 holders in the United States. If you are a dependent of them, they will start issuing the visa for you. So this is a very good news. Of course, this still doesn't apply to primary H1 or L1 visa holders who have traveled to home country to get their visa stamped or get their extension done, because the whole family, if they are already out of country, then it's not an emergency in their mind. So they haven't specified any guidelines on those lines. Now there are also some pending lawsuits for those H1 and L1 holders who have I-140 approved, that means an immigrant petition approved, but they are in their home country visiting and unable to travel back because of the travel ban. So there are few lawsuits that have been filed to make those cases eligible for stamping and returning to the United States. So these are a couple of things that I wanted to mention because these are very important to the families that have been split apart due to the COVID situation and due to the travel entry ban. So I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.